we coming along?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Elena. I'm just gonna be doing a quick get ready with me before I actually go out and run my errands. I posted a previous makeup video. I have not been able to upload another makeup video because I am currently in the process of moving. Excuse the mess, and my life's a mess right now. And I'm just trying to get everything together. But I'm just gonna get ready, and I'm just gonna show you guys the way I do my makeup every day and what I use. So I'm gonna go in and start, and we can just do a chit chat. I could tell you guys a little bit about me, where I'm from, how old I am, and yeah. So anyways, lately I've been using this Maybelline New York full coverage 24-hour Fit Me. I think it's more than 24 hours actually. Let me see. It's 30 hours. So it's this one here, guys. So I've been using this one. It works really good. I like it. But let's moisturize and prime first. So this is a weightless moisturizer by Benefit, and it's actually my favorite because it really does miracles. And honestly, I'm not one of those persons that has to premeditate my video before I actually start filming, or I feel like it won't come natural to me. So I just have to film and just go along as I film. Otherwise, my video I won't feel my video coming out natural. Anyways.
I can't be holding on to you like this. I have things to do in my life now.
Anyways, that's just the way I like to film, guys. I'm really dedicated, and I really want to become a YouTuber, and I really want to put in the work. I really want to put in the time, and I want to pursue this because it's been a while and I've been thinking about it. It's been behind my mind. I invested. I got a nice camera, and I even got an iPhone to record my videos, but I have a nice camera and I don't know how to use it. You know, but this is the first video I'm recording. I love it. I love the way it's coming out. The quality is amazing. I didn't think it would be this good. Anyways, so I'm gonna go in with my I usually use a primer after I moisturize because my face is really dry, and you don't need a lot. I usually just use a little bit. A little goes a long way. And if you're gonna invest in, I recommend if you're gonna invest in high quality makeup, you definitely need a moisturizer and a primer. Otherwise, it's like throwing your dollars in the trash.
You probably die.
You know? Sorry guys, I'm looking for the cap to, where did I put it? It's like every time I'm doing my makeup, guys, I lose something. It's right in front of me. I can't see it. So I'm just gonna go on and move on with my my foundation that I showed you guys earlier. And we're gonna start applying that. I usually use you guys, I usually use Fenty, the Fenty foundation, or I really like the Kat Von D foundation because it's vegan, and I have really bad allergies, and it just sits well with my skin. And I noticed I sneeze less when I'm wearing that makeup, you know? So you usually get to know your foundation type for your skin, and overall just how it sits well with you. You guys can see the difference already. That coverage is amazing.
Hi, Harry Hamlin. So I need you to take the kids to school. I love taking the kids to school.
And I always get asked which foundations I use, and really it doesn't matter, guys. It doesn't matter which foundations you use. What matters is what kind of primer, moisturizing and priming your face is what helps your makeup sit well. I can say that a million times. Sometimes I'll just use moisturizer. I'll forget my primer. And I'll just use a primer. Oh, the poreless primer. This is the primer that I use, guys, by Benefit. So I use both of them hand in hand. So that's usually how I go about my routine. I don't like switching foundations too much. I personally, once I like a foundation, I tend to stick to it. I have been thinking about exploring, trying different foundations, but I just really like this one here right now. It's good for a budget. It's not a lot. You can get it at your local pharmacies. I'm actually not working right now, so it really works for me. I really wanted to do YouTube full time, and I just left my nursing job in January, and I'm just hoping it works out for me. My problem is I need to be consistent. I'm not really consistent with filming or editing and stuff like that, so I gotta wrap my head around being a little more consistent with you guys. I just got good news. I tell the truth, and I will always tell my truth and stand by and stick to my truth. So I have to go in there and I got approved for my 1-bedroom apartment, and now I have to start looking and seeing which areas I want to move in. I have Housewives of Beverly Hills playing in the background. I never really watch it, but I like to watch clips. Usually I'm just a binge watcher. I don't sit there and watch the whole show. I mean, who does nowadays, right? Unless it's Euphoria. I got into Euphoria. And I really liked it. So, anyways, let me hurry up. I don't want this video to be too long. I want it to get ready with me. This is how I do my makeup every day, and let me hurry up.
Carry out any 2 or more mix and match items for $5.99 each, or get them delivered for $6.99 each.
I'm Jimmy Dean, and that sunrise something. I honestly feel that way about Jimmy Dean sausage. Get yourself a large chunk of that good morning feeling. Oh, that smells good.
Who said you have to starve yourself to lose weight?
Who said you can't do it,
Who still need this is good?
Oh my god, this foundation, you guys, I'm in love with it. And where's my... So this is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, guys. I really like it. It's really good too. A little goes a long way. I don't really need that much concealer. I don't have that much to cover under my eyes. I sleep really good. I always have. Make sure I get my rest, my beauty sleep.
Listen to your body. Feel your power.
Here, have a cheesecake. Bring on the zest with fire roasted tomato and olive oil. Bring it with Tris.
To all of you who have been yearning to travel,
And then
it's time.
I just used the basic translucent powder by Laura Mercier.
And see that the most precious things on earth aren't things at all. The world open up to the world.
Oh, I forgot to contour with my other e.l.f. Camo Concealer and shade Camo. Wait, no. In shade Olive Camo.
Being an insurance agent isn't just about this policy or that. It's about protecting your clients, their families, and being there when they need a helping hand. At the Jordan Curry Agency, customer service is our foundation. It's why our clients have been with us for
20 years! 35 years! 40 years!
Call us and let us build a personalized insurance package that works for you.
Let loose with Peacock's The Real Housewives of Miami.
Sorry if you guys can't really see what I don't know if you guys can see it clearly how I am contouring, but I've gotten used to it that I actually just do it really fast. I don't really need to take my time doing my makeup anymore, guys. I've been doing my makeup for years now, and with experience I've learned how to just master my ways of doing my own makeup, and I really love the way how fast I can put it on now. It used to take me 2 hours to do my makeup. Now I just do it really quick.
Hey, Shot. We could definitely have dogs here.
You can have dogs here, you can have grooming here, shelter.
See, I think what we're going to do is we're going to bring dogs in from the shelter.
Okay.
And have them here in the day so they can play, and then hopefully people will adopt them. We wanted to create a dog rescue center, and I'm going to make it feel more like a lifestyle shop. And it's going to have so much fun. We're going to have puppies there. You can play with them. It will be everything's doggy. Well, you see, how we first started getting involved in this is we started banking pets. We also got very involved with this stopping the dog torture with the Yulin situation in Asia.
The dog torture just destroys us. We can't even think about it.
It's just
We've got to stop it.
We've got dogs near Hong Kong. We infiltrated a truck.
If you guys have any questions, comments, make sure you let me know in the comments below, and I'll be sure to let you guys know what you guys want to know.
It's been a struggle. The Yulin Dog Meat Festival is the festival where they believe in torturing the dogs because they believe that it's...
So usually I like to recontour my face with something else, and this is just a Sephora collection little palette that I use to add a little more contour. I like my face to look really snatched.
We see what you're doing and we're not okay with it. The annual Yulin Dog Meat Festival is not just a celebration that looks at dogs as commodities to be harvested, eaten or sold.
It's crazy how I just cracked the code to my camera on how to get it working. This is the first video where I can actually say I learned how to use my Sony. I think now I'll be more inclined to filming than I'm getting to use the camera. It's just always sitting there in my room, like, you know.
Well, I mean, you are a crazy person. We're both crazy.
If we can shine a light on this politically and get the backing of the United States government behind us, then we have a chance. When I turn my back and they play that video, I don't even know what they were playing.
I saw it. It's etched in my brain forever.
Okay, guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Jacklyn Hill palette, Volume 1 for my eyeshadow. Oops. So I'm trying to get that cat eye look, guys, with this contour with this eyeshadow and brush I'm using by Morphe. I usually just out the edges, and then I just...
Yeah, it smells delicious.
Hi, everybody.
Look at this.
How are you? Nice to see you.
I'm gonna do the same with the other side. My hair's in the way a little bit, so I have to.
4 flavors of cheesecakes.
Carney.
Hi! We're talking about cheesecake.
Yay! You guys met when we did Apprentice, right?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, Tiffany.
Hi, Tiffany. How are you?
How cute are these?
The fact that these are this big and that these girls can like split them 6 ways, it's gonna be perfect for their diet. This is gonna be perfect.
Oh my god, your dog is swimming in the pool.
So my
Gorgeous, right? Well, there's like
eyeshadow is
maybe a little more coming.
just one shade right now, guys. It's a little darker, but
She's sober.
Good.
Yeah.
I'm really not trying to do my makeup too perfect today.
Well, but you never cared. You've been sober how long?
12 years.
Were you ever sober and then you were and they were again?
No.
Or, oh, as soon as you're sober, that was it. That was it. That's really amazing.
I know.
So my sister
The key
Kim,
to this is blending
how long she's been sober now.
a little higher where you set your
She's had a period where she was sober for a very long time, and then she fell off.
Right,
You
I
know.
know that. You know, this is how
where you set your initial
I
eyeshadow.
mean, I'm foul-mouthed, crazy.
This side's a little darker because every time I'm done using my
I'm sober as hell.
Okay, I have to go change.
eyeshadow, I go in with the darker one.
Okay, I'm gonna go change.
So I'm just gonna make that a little darker.
I love the flowers. I love the food.
I'm gonna stare at the backyard, which is a park.
Okay, and I guess I'll do my eyebrows and my eyelashes here with you guys. And just add a little blush.
Oh, you brought a house gift. Well, not really. Not really. What do you mean? I brought a baby gift for Kim. It's a little bunny, and it's the thing that I loved for the girls so much. They loved it. They had a pink one.
You know, whether she burns the thing after, I don't know. It's not my place to ask. Cuts the ears off, cuts the head off. I don't know. Might happen. Voodoo doll stabs things in it. Might happen. But
And then I usually just set my face with
like if it gets to the baby, that'd be a good
the
thing.
luminous setting from Morphe. I'm running out. I need to actually get some more. I feel like I have a little more eyeshadow on the left, on the right than I do the left, so I'm gonna go ahead and just
Hi.
fill it in a little more.
How are you?
There.
This is Claire. Claire, nice to meet you. Hi.
Perfect.
Nice to meet you. I've heard about Kim's sponsor Claire, but I have not met her before, and I think that maybe Kim brought her as not only her friend, but as some sort of security. There's Carney. How are you?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go get my eyelashes and
sponsor with her.
Spy.com. It can be easy to steal your identity. Now, it can be just as easy to help protect yourself. LifeLock helps detect identity threats. If there's a problem, we work to fix it. Go to LifeLock.com.
When you have pimples on your face, you feel a little insecure of people seeing that before seeing yourself.
Then Kiara got Proactive. Proactive is America's #1 acne routine with a routine for every type of skin that keeps skin clear.
Using Proactive really has changed my life. And since I started using Proactive, I felt that my real skin was showing up.
Get Proactive and get clear skin that stays clear. Go to Proactive.
They're out here. Come say hello. Good.
okay, guys, so this is the final look here already. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment so you guys can see my next video. I don't know what I'll be uploading. It'll probably be a makeup tutorial / get ready with me. But thanks for watching, guys. See you guys later. Bye.